Good afternoon, Northern Alabama, Southern Tennessee. Today, as you can see, and probably hear, we're out here looking at these storms. We've got a lot of rain, some lightning, some thunder. We're centered right here in Huntsville, Alabama. Now, for any of you in the area, we have a few tornado warnings going up on the southern side of the city, more like the southwest and the southeast. You're probably going to hear some sirens going off. What I want to let you know right now, especially if you're in this area as things progress into tonight, these storms may drop some weak tornadoes, but we're not seeing substantial development for more of the intense storms we had over in Mississippi. For right now, we're going to watch as the storm develops this evening. We're going to try to keep an eye on the conditions as more storms develop throughout these evening hours. It's about 6 p.m. right now, so as the time progresses, we're going to see these storms in the area start to weaken. So, most of the strong, severe stuff will be pushed more towards the east, more towards the northern Tennessee and Georgia line. So into this evening, as you're checking out the weather apps, make sure you keep an eye on the severe thunderstorm warnings and the tornado warnings that will be issued by the National Weather Service. If you don't wait till you see a tornado, you're going to want to listen to those warnings and take shelter. If you have to drive, make sure not to drive in any water deeper than you can see. You don't know how deep it is. What we're going to see from this evening is the stability of the atmosphere, or the instability, that is, which creates some of the stronger storms, starts to weaken. We're going to see that line push through, and the stuff that develops afterward isn't going to be as substantial. So what we're experiencing right now, of course, is that rain coming with those more spread out cells. We have a few of those stronger ones that are throwing up those warnings. We have rotation on radar. That does not mean a tornado has been found on the ground, but what it does mean is that storms are likely at any time to drop a tornado. So if you're in that radar box, whether it says it's confirmed or radar indicated, always assume that you should take the proper precautionary measures. So that being said, as we go further into this evening, we're going to see this rain continue on. The lightning and the thunder will continue, but the tornado chance will start to weaken. The hail and wind will remain not much more substantial than we see it now. It hasn't been too bad throughout the day. And of course, most of the severe stuff will be more southern in the area, into Birmingham and those areas if you're centered around there. So as these storms start to pass through our area, more into Georgia, we could see some more instability as it weakens in our area. The storms may not be as strong, but over in the east, you may have a few more segments that go up, increasing that tornado chance into the evening. So that's about it from here. Keep an eye out on your weather app, and we're going to keep an eye out here. Thanks.